What's good, my man? What's good? Hope you are doing good. And in this video, we will talk about how you can make your cardio fun. You know what I mean? And actually look forward to your cardio sessions, bro. See, before I get into this video, I know it looks like I'm training in the projects, but trust me, I'm not. It's just a place where I can train without interruption, and it just gives me that me time. You know what I mean? So, let's go. See, the number one reason why a lot of people skip cardio and don't want to do cardio is because it's boring, bro. And just walking on treadmill and doing cycling and just going for a run, although it is fun for a lot of people, but it is not for every single person. Not everyone enjoys running. You know what I mean? So the only way you can get your cardio in without depleting your willpower every single day, bro, only way you can get your cardio in is by making sure that your cardio sessions are fun, bro. You know what I mean? Pick anything, bro. It doesn't have to be running. If you don't like running, you don't have to run, bro. You know what I mean? If you don't like cycling, you don't have to cycle, bro. If you like, say, basketball, just hit your weights, go play some basketball, bro. If you like, say, boxing, get some shadow boxing in, bro. If you want to be a better athlete, bro, skip some ropes, some jump squats, anything that gets your heart rate up, bro. It's not written in stones that you have to do, you have to run to get fit. You know what I mean? And see, cardio is very important, bro, and it's about actually being fit, not just looking fit, bro. Not just having muscles and looking fit like these fitness athletes, bro. It's about being healthy. It's about having your cardiovascular health on point. So pick a cardio session. Promise yourself that you owe yourself 3 4 cardio sessions every week, bro. You know what I mean? Anything of your choice, as long as it makes you sweat, as long as it gets your heart rate up. You know what I mean? And see, bro, the reason why I'm so big on cardio, bro, because a lot these days, bro, a lot of people are suffering from cardiovascular diseases. You know what I mean? And it is must. It is must. You gotta be fit from inside. You know what I mean? So pick a cardio that you really enjoy. Get fit, get healthy, and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Peace.